I'm just having my muffins और मुझे आपको ये बताना था कि नेशनल पार्क जाने के लिए पृथ्वी चौक जाना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद आप वहाँ से जा सकते हो। एंड बिफोर दैट लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट दिस muffin is actually vegan muffin. It doesn't contain any kind of egg and yeah.
After 2 years.
Freshly made muffin. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप muffins को वैसे regularly they just bake and then give it to us, serve it to us. It's very fresh muffin. मैंने अपना breakfast, brunch already ordered. I will have my brunch. I'm so happy to see my brunch. It's called it's a ball and it has so much veggies over here and
I think it's jumping over. They see it. Yeah. You know what? You can go.
it's so yummy. This is avocado.
I need to sit. But I go to sit. Because it's a restriction. You're not serious.
Some dragons, some pomegranate and really nice. Let me just finish it off, then I can do some